Hi guys. Hi, this is Prakash. Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yes, sir. We're fine, sir.
So, as we spoke, we are going to talk about power of search today. Uh, I'm just taking you to the main presentation. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So, we have already spoke. If you are searching for your customers, probably you are doing it wrong in your business. So, we are going to talk about power of search. I hope you will be able to see my screen, right? So, as we uh, rightly understood this, like, what do people search? People search. Actually, people search skills. People search methods. People search values. People search reviews. People search motivation. People search some products, price, location, technology, problems, solutions. So these are the things which people generally search. So what does people search is one where they will search some problems, they'll search some solutions, they'll always, if they are finding difficulty on something, they'll always search these particular solutions through some keywords, and those keywords are related to your products, your services, your whatever solutions they are searching for. So as we are talking about the search market, it's a huge market in India, and now it is growing. Estimated search market which is available in India, only 17% of businesses using search marketing and SEO. Rest of the people are still to adopt this search marketing activities. So it's a huge opportunity for Indian market. Power metrics. What is the power metrics? Power metrics is search engine rankings, tips and tricks, online reputation management, your business story. So this power metrics means the power to your brand or products or services. So this metrics works for your product services related keywords and your rankings, wherein we are going to help you with the tips and tricks. The online reputation management means your business story, what your business is for, and what is your business provides solutions for your customers, and what problems customers are searching in the search engines. So brand your business communication, cost effective way to market your brand, the content strategy, online opportunities, collab with your growth partners, and bank linking. So these power metrics means these kind of footsteps will be taken for any products or services. So the related problems, the related people who are searching for those problems in terms of solutions, you will be shown as an result in the search engine rankings. Let's start with Google. So Google, as I told you, Google, we have this Google card. Have you heard of this? IP Yash Google card.
Yes, sir.
So today
No,
you'll
sir.
be so you do have your phone in your hand.
Yes, sir.
Type your name in the Google bar. Are you getting in the option add me to Google search?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
So that particular thing is your Google profile. So once you will be able to click that add me to Google search, click that, select your core account, and now you'll be able to put your name, your profession, your website, your links, your social media profile, all the details about your business and your skill set will be there on the Google card, and which will going to help you to be searched on Google by your name and profession and skill set and keywords. So please do make your Google card today itself. Otherwise, it will be populated with the similar names, because Yash, you have a very common name.
Very common.
But still, you can strategically put your keywords and your profile, as we discussed in the profile
Right.
making things, a keyword rich bio, and this thing basically. So that way you can utilize this. So all of you will be able to make your Google card today itself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we spoke about this whole structure of this personal profile, wherein the profile picture, context, media, call to action. Then Google profile, yes, we have Google profile. We have this Google Card new service which is started few days back. But still, you have to manage your past links which are available with the search engines, like your other social accounts and your other blog accounts and all that. So you need to check those links. Basis those links, if those links are really valuable, has a really valuable content, so you should continue with that. Otherwise, you need to remove those links and put your valuable content which supports your products and services on your profile, which will really going to help you to search your customers will be able to search your profile and your skills in your area of service. So this online reputation management is something wherein you have to manage your online links and websites, blogs, social medias available on the Google. So if something is not relevant with your product and services, and which is going to hamper your online reputation, you should remove it, and you have to place the relevant information on the internet. So wherein Google and other search engine like Twitter and LinkedIn will also support to get rich traffic to your profile, whether you are a designer or a database guy or anything else. People will be able to find you easily when you have a clear cut good online reputation on with Google and other search engines. Are you getting my point? Any questions?
No, sir, not until now. No questions.
Not till now, sir. It's all okay.
Okay, so then LinkedIn, yes, LinkedIn is must. LinkedIn has to be there for your professional profile, whether you are working with a company or you're a student or you have any business. So LinkedIn helps you to create your professional profile on the internet. Again, there is a lot of important stuff to get a good LinkedIn profile, which is one is you have a good profile, you have a again a keyword rich content on your profile, along with all your achievements, educational background, your work profile, what all you are looking for. So if you are searching for something, you are searching for job, you are searching for any kind of project, you should mention this particular thing on LinkedIn. So what happens is, when someone is searching for a database guy and database in SQL with Python programming, so suppose if you have mentioned that you know SQL with Python programming, so your results will be shown on the top rank. So basically, what happens is, whatever you are expecting from the market or whatever you are delivering to the market. So whomsoever is your customer is, basis your customer, understanding your customer profile, you can choose your keyword wisely, and you can put your products and services in your profile accordingly on the internet. Otherwise, you can also mention those things in your profile what are you are looking for. If you are looking a job into Python SQL thing, you can mention this particular thing in your profile, and the job recruiter will be going to search on LinkedIn. So once these keywords are available with your profile, resume, and education link in your LinkedIn profile, your LinkedIn profile will be pop up in top results basically. So again, LinkedIn, Google, every information on the internet has to be optimized basis your understanding and objectives of the need, and basis your products and services and the kind of customer you are looking at. So yes, lot of, and accordingly you can have some engagement and analytics. You can also have LinkedIn analytics checked, how your profile is performing, what all content you are putting, that how that particular content is performing. You can have always a related engagement. Like, so if you have, you are interested in the content marketing, so you should always engage content in marketing post. You should also post this thing, post about content marketing. You can always speak about new trends in the industry. So basis these particular posts and engagement, LinkedIn is able to read that you are going to give some particular valuable knowledge in that particular domain. So they'll also give your result on front basically. So similarly, yes, will Twitter help? This question. Twitter is again a very amazing tool. Twitter is going to help big time, because Twitter is always has a very large customer base and a very good search engine optimization things. Again, you have to optimize your Twitter profile, easily searchable, very optimized environment. You can engage with your followers, you can follow people, you can follow activities, you can follow your interest, you can follow your products and services related competition, everything. You can keep your Twitter account very active with your ideas, thoughts, posts, and you can engage the content. You can have some backlinks on social media accounts. You can also backlinking your websites and social media accounts and your particular content. If you are searching a job, you Twitter will always help you with the things. You can backlink it with LinkedIn and other social media accounts. So if someone is searching in LinkedIn, he'll also be able to jump into your Twitter account, and through Twitter also they can have access, you think. Also you can search Twitter account for your particular needs, jobs, areas, interest, companies, influencers. So Twitter is going to help you big time, and it is easily optimizable, and Google recognize it very easily. So if you have a very good optimized Twitter profile, Google is going to optimize it very easily, and it will be going to give you good results in very short span of time. And always pick the right tweet to pin to the profile. And these particular presentation I'm going to share it with you. You can go ahead and check the complete details with you, with the things. So I am expecting you all to please go through all the links and apply all the things in your profile and check and optimize your profiles whether it is going to give you results or not. You can always ask me some questions if you have related to this thing. And yes, are you or your business is being searched? This is a question mark. You have to solve this question mark, and you have to say yes, it is being searched. I am being connected with my audience. With, if it doesn't matter the where audience is coming from, whether the person is coming from any nook and corner of the country, I can connect with them. I can give them solutions, and they can connect with me. They can give me solutions. So guys, do you have any questions, or you want to add something on this particular thing? I'm very happy to answer, and very happy to engage on this particular topic. If you have anything to say about it, please.
There's nothing to say about the presentation, but definitely these points that you have suggested would definitely help us in creating a more searchable profile on Google as well as on the internet.
What about you, IP?
It's all clear, sir. It's quite a good question mark that you have left at the last. Are you or your business is being searched? Quite a
So,
good thought
so,
process.
so, what do you think as of now? What do you think? What is your status? Means like, have you ever got a chance that someone is finding you on internet, and he said, "Arey yaar, IP, I have found out your number or your website or your email ID or through Facebook or something." Whether it has happened with you, you guys, both of you, or any circumstances wherein people are saying that I'm not able to find you somewhere, so I find you through Twitter or LinkedIn or Google.
No, not till now
Not,
yet, sir. Not till now, but we
Not
will be
only.
working on it so that we are more searchable in our area.
Okay. So basically, what happens is I have this particular experience. Like, so I'm telling you a thing. I have posted a job in Facebook couple of days back, and also on LinkedIn. So I have received about 34 responses. That was a free job posting. It was a post. It was not a job post. So that job. So what is the difference? The difference between job post and a normal post is that normal post goes into particular your particular social profile, and job post goes to a search engine directly. And basis that keywords, job post work with search engine and that collect many results and give it back to you through the channel, with whatever the channel is, naukri.com or LinkedIn or whatsoever it is. But I have posted this particular thing on my post, and it has a very good engagement on LinkedIn and Facebook both. So what happens is, what I have used is I have used some couple of keywords and hashtags. So those hashtags have been able to give that particular post of visibility wherein people are also able to find it. So I have received 34 responses within 3 days span of 3 days time, wherein I have got profiles from various places in India, and couple of profiles I have got it from, one from Dhaka and one from I guess Singapore. So what happens is, it with that is, like, you can interact with the content. So this is the power of search. This is the power of search. So you have to understand how search works, how your engagement works, how your content works, how your post works, and understanding post before posting anything. You have to understand who is your reader, who is going to be benefited out of that particular post. So if you will be able to design this particular framework of the content, wherein you have defined your reader or your beneficiary out of your post and your media, you will be able to post good content or relevant content, and people will be get benefited out of those particular content. So any question you can write me on my mail ID, and
Okay.
anything you want to ask, you can ask now. So otherwise, I'll just get it over the call. How did you find this information?
Very informative and very actionable per se.
Okay, great.
Can add
Thank
from
you.
listening to you.
Thank you. So thank you. Enjoy, and you can write me anytime if you find any difficulty. And thank you very much. So
That's it.
thank you very much.